Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from SafePal to Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open the SafePal app on your device. Before proceeding, ensure your cryptocurrency is in Bitcoin, as Cash App only supports Bitcoin transactions. If you have another cryptocurrency, tap on the swap option. Select your cryptocurrency in the top section, choose Bitcoin in the bottom section, enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Your Bitcoin balance will update shortly. Next, open Cash App and tap the bank icon at the bottom. Select Bitcoin. Scroll down and tap Deposit Bitcoin. Your Bitcoin wallet address will be displayed. Tap Copy Address. Now, return to SafePal, go to your Bitcoin wallet and tap Send. Paste the wallet address you copied from Cash App into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, and you will see its equivalent in your local currency. Select a network fee based on transaction speed. Higher fees process faster, while lower fees take longer. Tap Next, review the details, and finalize the transaction. So that is basically how you can withdraw money from SafePal to Cash App. And that is it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.